Now, 800 CHAB presents Ask the Expert. Here's Rob Carnie.
Are you ready for winter? More importantly, are your vehicles ready for winter? That's the topic today on Ask the Expert with 800 CHAB's insurance expert, Greg Marcyniuk at Heritage Insurance. Now's the time to get the vehicles ready. And most importantly, Greg, and I know we've stressed it a number of times over the years, be ready with an emergency winter survival kit in all your vehicles.
We'll cover that first, going over what you should have in that kit. You should have jumper cables, or another great thing is one of those portable lithium batteries with jumper cables, because not only do they jump your battery if you need it boosted, they'll also charge your cell phone if required. So it kind of is a dual purpose. But remember to keep it charged.
Sure.
The other thing is flares, triangle reflectors, or you can get LED flares, which work awesome. They're very visible. You should have a quart of motor oil as well as a quart of coolant, just in the event of something. First aid kit, which would definitely is very high on the list. Blanket, space blanket, flashlight, and extra batteries. Toolkit with a screwdriver, pliers, adjustable wrench, pocket knife. Can of tire inflator and sealant is another great thing that you should have, and make sure it doesn't freeze. Tire pressure gauge, paper towel, spray bottle with washer fluid, ice scraper, pen and paper, granola, energy bars, hard candy, those type of things, bottled water, and as well, you should have a shovel in your vehicle. And what I do is I actually put in some boots, some good gloves or mitts, toque, and some winter gear like heavy jacket or a snowmobile suit, something along those lines. The other thing that you really want to prepare for winter is your vehicle, and a lot of people tend to just leave this until the snow flies. Absolutely the wrong thing to do. First and foremost, you should be looking at putting snow tires on your vehicle. I know we've talked about this before. I've got them, and I absolutely love them and will never be without them again. Also, you should check your tire pressure, because with cooler weather, the tire pressure decreases on your vehicle, and you'll get less gas mileage too if you don't keep an eye on your tire pressure. The other thing is check your battery. I don't know how many times I see people there getting boosts. If your battery, they say, is 3 years more or older, you should definitely get it tested. I know myself, I'm usually about every 3 to 4 years I just replace mine. Just makes good sense. Cold weather can reduce the functioning of your battery, especially weaker battery, by 50%. The other thing you want to do, if you do have four-wheel drive, engage it and disengage it. Make sure it does engage. Drive with it for a while. Make sure there's no funny noises. If there is, again, take it to a mechanic. And you should change the oil and check the viscosity of the oil. If you don't have a lighter oil, makes it that much easier to get it started in the winter. And have your belts and hoses inspected, and inspect your wipers. And also check wiper fluid and make sure that you do have low, like minus 40 at least, for your wiper fluid. And again, make sure we go through and check that, and you can check these out online, heritageinsurance.ca. Or come on down the corner of First and Fairford North and talk to any of our fine people, and we'd be happy to give you one of these checklists.
Greg Marcyniuk, Heritage Insurance on 800 CHAB's Ask the Expert.
This has been Ask the Expert on 800 CHAB.